Hey y'all, what's the dealio? So y'all, I'm kind of tired today. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, am I vlogging today? Am I vlogging today? Do I feel like vlogging today? Indeed I am. They parked mighty close to me. I just came out of Walmart. I had to get a few things. Then I went to Dollar Tree. Got a couple of things that I did not want to get out of Walmart. Like, I low-key don't like shopping at Walmart. Even though it's like very, very convenient. I just don't like shopping there. It's like one thing. You can need two separate things. You gotta go from one end of the store to get that one thing, and then all the way to the other end of the store to get the other thing. And I'm just like, bro, I'm just over it. I'm over it. So I said, if I go to Dollar Tree, I could just get what I need, because I just needed like simple stuff. Floss, I wanted to get the baby a toothbrush, because the one she had, this girl thought she could clean the toilet out with it. Like, girl, what is you doing? So I just threw it away. I said, you know what, I'm gonna just get you another one, because the bristles look thrown away anyway. I'm gonna just get you another one, and we're gonna call it a day. Because she been wanting to brush her teeth, because she see me brushing mine. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just get you a toothbrush. I feel like I look red in this camera. Let me see. I feel red. But right now I'm heading to do the grocery pickup. I guess we're gonna do a grocery haul today, y'all. I don't know how other people do it, but this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna be like everybody else. So I went to Dollar Tree, I went to Walmart, and now I'm just headed to pick up the groceries, and then I'm headed home. For the challenging part, I think I'm gonna do like a kitchen clean out, like clean my kitchen real good. I mean, it's already clean actually. Maybe like a fridge type clean out type deal, because I got food from last night in there that ain't old. I'm gonna actually eat me some when I get home, but I don't know. We gonna just go with the flow today, because I do not have this 100% planned out. I got a little bit of it planned out. I know kind of what I want to do in a way, but with this vlog, we're gonna just wing it. We're gonna just wing it, and at the end, I'll just figure out what this vlog is gonna be about. But right now, we are going to pick up this grocery. We're gonna do this grocery pickup. Then we going home. We're gonna put up these groceries, and yeah, and that's gonna be that. I honestly don't think it's gonna be a long vlog, y'all. I'm feeling low energy today. I actually bought me a coffee, come to think about it. Had to get me a vanilla. I forgot what they said you supposed to do. Oh, put ice in it and blend. I ain't got time for all of that. I don't have the time. But yeah. It's so good. But I ain't really got much to vlog right now, y'all. So I'm gonna be back with y'all whenever we do the little grocery haul, and then whatever comes after that comes after that. Y'all see Pac? You. But anyways, y'all, this is an old shirt. I'm pretty sure y'all might have seen it in the old vlogs. I don't know, but it's an old shirt, but I really like it. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. So we just did our grocery pickup, and then while I was sitting here, I was like, why not try these earrings on? Because I got one in this ear. I really like this earring, but I lost it. I cannot keep up with earrings, y'all, to save my life. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Let me see. I'm trying to determine between the hearts or the, what's the names? Let me see what this look like. I feel like it's a little bit too small. I'm gonna put one of these small ones in. That don't look bad. I love me some studs, child. That was nice to try though. I lost those within like 3 days. Shame. Shame, 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 shame. So in the middle of me putting away the groceries, I was like, why don't I just film me putting away the groceries? And then I'll show y'all everything I got. Y'all, this is probably the biggest shopping order I ever done. Like, I don't even be shopping this big like that. This is the first big order, so this should last us for a good little minute. But I'm gonna get into the video, y'all. We got her sitting. Mommy, Mina. Hey. Hey. I told you I had to wash them. Let me wash them. So I'm finally done taking that stuff out of the packet. I mean, out of the bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You are spoiled. So we got grits. Your girl love some grits. We are grit lovers, especially me and the baby. Then I got some baby the baby munchies, baby puffs, the banana cookies. Y'all, these are good. These are hidden. I can't even lie. I had one. I said, Gerber. Not Gerber. So I've never tried these. So if y'all try these, let me know how y'all like them. They the peanut butter Natural Valley biscuits. I decided to get these because I told y'all I was trying to get them to eat healthy. So if they want a snack, this is what they gotta do. This is what they gonna be eating. And then I got like I probably got like 10 of these little pouches for her. She has been loving these. My baby has been loving these like crazy. So I got all different kinds, and they're $1 and some change a piece. So that's why I get so many. They only $1 and some change. And then we got some granola because I love yogurt in the morning. And then we got some little yogurt milk. We got 2 bags of these. Hey, y'all, we have been living by rules. Even though I know that's not the healthiest, but you know, I didn't say extremely healthy, just kind of healthy. And we got vanilla wafers because I'm gonna make some banana pudding. We got some, he really liked these. He tasted these for the first time from Aldi's, and my son loved those. So, you know, I had to read up on them again. And we got some French toast for in the morning when your girl don't feel like getting up and I'm tired. This, because I'm cooking lasagna sometime this week. And then we got waffles. I did not mean to order both of these. I put these as a substitute for these if they didn't have these. But somehow I got both. I feel like they overcharged me. And then we got some buns for the chicken. Y'all, if y'all have not tried these, I'm putting you on now. These are so freaking good. Oh my gosh. They may be a little expensive, but y'all, they are so good. Depending on where you're gonna get them, they're like $9 to $10. I mean, like $10, $11. And then I got these. These are so good. Even the strips are so good. Then I got tortillas. We're gonna make it with these. Tacos. We're gonna make some tacos this week. And then I always get the big bag, the store brand. I honestly didn't like, y'all, they put both of these. Like, I did not know. I looked through my order and I swear I thought I marked one off. I thought I took off this one because I wanted to try this rice. I don't think I cooked with this one. Y'all, this is a lot of rice. But it's gonna get gone because I'm a rice lover. I love cooking. I probably cook rice almost every day. Then we got some ripe bananas for the banana pudding because my mama be asking me to make banana pudding. So, and then we got some of these. Some, you know, what's the names? I think one is actually organic because I don't think they had, I don't know. But they've been on bananas lately. Like, they've been tearing them up. And then we got some Frosted Flakes, Cheerios. I try to keep those on the healthier side rather than getting Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let me see what else. This is going to take a minute. Oh, so I got some sensitive toothpaste. And then I got her this little cow toothbrush. I got it out of Dollar Tree. And if it's not, I don't know. Hopefully it's durable. But I seen this. I said, look. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure they had better ones at Walmart. But I was not trying to stay at Walmart long at all. It's just too many people to me. And then I got some little flossers for Juju. I got me some. Got them some oatmeal. Some whipped cream for the banana pudding. We got a bag of onions because I stay cooking with some onions. We got the kids, some snacks, some goldfish. We got pancakes for in the morning. And then somehow, y'all, I don't know how this happened. Like, I don't even use this many potatoes. But I guess I'm going to be making some homemade mashed potatoes. So good. I don't even know. I probably could give some to my mama to be for real. Give some of this stuff to her. I just thought about it. So we got some hot dog buns, but I'm gonna be using some beef sausages with these and some mustard. Then we got some red beans. Gotta keep my red beans because you just never know. And then bread. I just switched over to this, y'all. This bread is just so good. Like, it's so good and thick. So, and I love thick bread. We got some taco seasoning. Let me move y'all over a little bit. So then we got the canned goods. This is all beans, like pineapple tidbits. We got some baked beans. And then like veggies over here. I got like 2 or 3 of the pineapple tidbits. Then we got some vanilla again for the banana pudding. Got some Chex Mix. I don't ever get Chex Mix, but you know, I don't know if this is considered healthy or not. Like, I don't feel like it's that bad, but you know. Then, dang, why did I get these? They gotta go. See, y'all, I done wasted some of my money because I was not supposed to get this stuff. I could have sworn I looked over my list. They low-key added some stuff. That's what I'm feeling. Nah, it's my fault. Got some club crackers because I'm gonna make me some chicken salad. These are for the hot dog buns. These are the one I was talking about. These are so freaking good. Fry these up in a frying pan, y'all. Put it in a hot dog bun. Put some mustard on it, and baby, better than a hot dog. I got whole milk, but it's only for the banana pudding. Then bright and early, I just love this orange juice. I know they got people be like, that's not real orange juice, but whatever. I like what I like. And then I had to get this to wake me up, and I do feel woke from early because I know when I first got on the vlog, I was like, I'm feeling tired. Got some Funyuns, so good. Then I got the kids some mini corn dogs, chicken, because we trying to lay off the beef. This is for subs. I'm making some subs this week. We got some vanilla almond milk. We got some Roma tomatoes. We got some pears and mangoes. We got mozzarella cheese, mild cheddar. We got some cheese for the subs. We got some animal crackers for the kids. We got my favorite butter that I cook with every day almost. And I did not mean to get blueberries this big. Y'all know blueberries can be expensive. I did not mean to get, I thought it was, I don't know. Anyways, we got some strawberries. We got some ricotta for the lasagna. Nutella. Juju like Nutella. Then we got some no-bake cookies. Y'all, I've been on these. Me and my kids have been on these. They are so good. And then we got ground turkey. We got chicken thighs, chicken wings, chicken legs, chicken breast. And I don't know how this got in here, but we got another thing of chicken thighs. So I don't know. I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know if I was half asleep or what. Maybe I was half asleep. I don't know. Then we got a melon. Then we got another melon. I bought a whole bunch of fruit for them. That's what's gonna replace their sweet tooth. Then I got the baby some apple juice. Then we got some more cheese. And thing of cherries. My kids been up on these cherries. They've been loving these cherries, y'all. They've been really up on it. And I don't even like cherries like that, but like the last bag we had, oh, I was up on it. And y'all, I think that is everything. I'm about to show her our new toothbrush. Mimi, look. Look, mommy got you a toothbrush. It's all crooked. Let me lower it. Toothbrush. Look. Your it, girl. Look. Pick it up. Pick it up. Put it in the trash. No, the trash. Put it in the trash. Take it out. Get it out. Put it in the trash. Let me hold it for you. Go put it in the trash so I can show you the toothbrush. Your toothbrush. All right, y'all, so I'm about to put up these groceries. I don't know if I'm gonna let y'all watch me put up the groceries. I guess I'll let y'all watch me put up the groceries. What y'all just see me do, I'm cleaning. I cleaned, well, not clean, they're in the process of cleaning. I clean all my fruits before I even put them in the fridge, my fruits and the veggies, because, especially the fruit, because soon as I get fruit, they be all over it, so. And then I just put them back in the container, in the bags, and go on about my day. So I'm gonna let the fruit sit for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna refill these right here. I think I'm gonna wash them before I refill them, actually. finally finished. It literally, I think it just took me a whole hour to restock, put everything up. Child, that'll probably be never again. But I'm about to show y'all the end results. Here's the fridge. And I just have what veggies I had left over in there. And then I just threw the fruit in there. Took them out of the bags. Then I put my cherries and my strawberries in here. I wanted to try to separate them, but so they are washed and cleaned. Water for the kids, Gatorade for Juju, and then just a whole bunch of water. Then I took this pineapple out of the can, put it in there. I like the canned pineapple better. And then we got our blueberries, butter, eggs, and then our drinks. It's the overall look of the fridge. Y'all, don't that look so neat? Okay. And then I just put my nanas over here. And then we got the rest of the stuff. Just set it up neatly. Like I had to add, I wanted to add my sugar, y'all, but I don't have enough. So I had to, like, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can, I'm gonna have to go get some more sugar. And this is how I organize my freezer. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, that's my little grocery haul or whatever. Let y'all see a little extra. Now I'm just about to clean up my kitchen, get it situated, and I think I'm about to eat and then chill, y'all, but I'm trying to, but yeah, I think I'm about to eat, then chill, and go about my day. But that's the end of this grocery haul. I thought I was gonna film more, but it actually, like, I got an hour worth of footage, and I don't need no more. The rest of that, excuse me, I could just save another vlog for another day or something, you know. But I'm probably about to just eat and chill and then probably go to sleep. I really want me a nap. So after I edit that other video and upload it today, which is, what's today? Tuesday. Give y'all that Tuesday vlog, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all for this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this grocery haul, y'all. I did not have the energy today. I still feel a little tired, so I think I'm about to drink the rest of my coffee. And after I clean, well, while I clean up this kitchen. But I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping haul. It wasn't really a shopping haul vlog. It was just a grocery haul vlog because I didn't shop for it. I mean, I shop for it, but it was online. But with that being said, I'm about to clean up my kitchen like I told y'all. And yeah. But I hope y'all see, I hope I see y'all in the next vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment down below. What other videos should I do? Because, like, or else the next vlog is gonna be a day in the life. That's all I got for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I will see y'all in the next one.